Hey, so I finally decided to hire a virtual assistant for my Amazon FBA business. After a few years being in business, I'm pretty much doing all of this with my partner. We're two people, and now finally I want to get a virtual assistant to help us out. So in this video series, I want to take you through the whole journey where I start doing it to a point where I have a virtual assistant. I never had a virtual assistant before that, so that's my first time. And with this helps me my good friend Barak Almog, who's the CEO of Seller Frame. I'm gonna link that down in the description for you if you wanna see what that is all about. But Barak is gonna help me, and I go kind of through a series of 7 weeks that we meet, and he's gonna help me to understand all the system of how working with a VA works, how to hire, so I can go and hire myself a virtual assistant in the right way. And there's a lot of stuff behind it. Today was the first lesson. I got out of the lesson like an hour and a half ago. I had some food. I thought about the video. I was like, man, I want to share this, like how I'm going through the process, so you can learn in this video series what I go through and how you can get yourself a virtual assistant yourself. And literally I'm doing this from zero. So I think it's going to be exciting. The way it's going to be built is that in the description of this video, we're going to have a playlist, a link to a playlist with all the episodes of this series. It might be 7 at least, because they're going to be 7 weeks, and I kind of want to do an episode after each week. And then maybe other things. Maybe Barak can come to our channel. Barak already was a guest on the channel, and down the description you're going to find a video with Barak as well. It's a long interview about systemizing parts of Amazon FBA business, and systems are very important to put in place with any business, I believe. And this is the video about this, so you can know Barak, who this guy is. Maybe he's gonna come. Now, if you have any questions also about Amazon FBA virtual assistants, drop them down in the comments. Ask me. I'm gonna do my best to share and help you. And if you are pumped for the idea of this series, drop the like button, because it's gonna help the video move in the algorithm. So this is the way it's gonna work, because really I am tired. I do many things alone, and I really enjoy this. I really enjoy every day, but you know, I would like to have some external help to come to my team to work with me and being a virtual assistant. So in this video series, that's what I'm gonna do. Again, all the links are gonna be in the description, and up here is gonna be the next video once it comes out, video number 2 of the process of the journey. So I'm really pumped to share the journey with you, and hopefully it's gonna make life easier for me as an Amazon seller, and maybe for you as well. Thank you. Check out this video once it's out. May you have an awesome, perfect day.